Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, new week and new time to do some trades here. I wish you of course a great start here in the new week, and I want to start this week with an update on Faraday Future, ticker FFAI. We had the expected price action here on Friday and we are about to break out here, but you can see the EMA lines are still in control, so we have to update the chart. We have to check if we are still bullish or if the bears are too strong. So I give you all the updated price levels here. If you're new to this channel, guys, the main purpose is to educate you in trading. That's why I show you here several chart techniques, and of course I love to present here short squeeze stocks on my channel. Not only I present them, I also try to predict them. So let's check if Faraday Future is a short squeeze play. Yeah guys, first of all, I mentioned that in my last video from Friday that we gapped up here. So Faraday Future left an open gap at here $2.08 or 07 here, but this gap has already been closed, which is very good. This is something that I like to see because I don't like gap ups at all. Every time when the stock is gapping up, the chance that we close these down gaps is about 90%, and Faraday Future directly closed this gap here with this candle at the same day. So the price action which we had, we check now here the 4 hours chart, and of course I show you my drawings and then I give you the updated price levels here. So in total we had here a squeeze, also the shakeout zone as expected. I will show you the drawings in a second, guys. So we had here a very nice pump of 52%. As I said, absolute predictable, because when we see my drawings, we knew that the main support line, which this is not a financial advice, but which I identified here for Faraday Future, is $1.97. You can see how the market makers made this small shakeout here, and directly here this dip got bought up, and then we had our squeeze. As I said, this was just as I expected. So now we have to check the price levels to the upside are still unchanged. Before I continue with this, guys, you have to also know that we have here a lot of other short squeeze plays in the market. I had some very big squeezes in the last week, so I released just my brand new hot stock video yesterday. If you also want to see these kind of short squeeze plays here, guys, then check out this content. When I present these videos here on Sunday, that means that the tickers in these videos have very high squeeze potential, and I expect them to squeeze very soon. And what happened last week after my prediction, we had this squeeze here, 290% after my video release on Sunday. So a very nice squeeze. And the next one here was even more violent. We had here a squeeze of 854% one day after I released the hot stock video. That is of course never a guarantee, guys. I cannot promise you that every ticker squeezes, but when you see my previous videos or when you see those hot stock videos, you will see that at least normally we have one squeeze per week. This is my normal average, I would say. But last week from 3 tickers which I presented, 2 squeezed. Also the other one squeezed, but just I think 35%, which is nothing. But this, guys, is possible here. So if you want to check my hot stocks, you can of course join in here our trading community. Show you that really quick here. So the most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. Every day, guys, new members joining in. We have a lot of new members every day, and if you also want to become part of our trading community, this is the way to go. Then of course you get access here to all my member content and the hot stock videos. If you want to join in, guys, please click here the info icon in the corner. Then you get access to my member link here for Patreon. So guys, let's now here go back to Faraday Future. What do you want to hear first? Bull case or bear case? So what I really like is the volume. Let's first talk about the volume. As I said, if you didn't see my previous videos, I absolutely expected here a technical reaction. I bought in at $1.92, sold some of my positions, but still have here a couple of positions left for Faraday Future because the price targets to the upside are not, we didn't touch them yet. So that's why I'm still bullish that we see here a technical reaction. The volume was 35 million, which is good, but you can see every time when we have these volume spikes here, you can see here the volume profile in TradingView, guys. Then we have a couple of times here 10 million shares. Here was even one bigger spike here, 50 million shares, this candle here. But what we can see very clear when I switch off the drawings for a second, even we have these volume spikes here, it's not enough volume to break our main resistance, which is here the purple EMA line in the chart, guys. You can see that we have attempts to break this purple EMA line, but we get rejected here over and over again. So what I like, what is very bullish is that yes, the liquidity zone which I identified here for the new viewers, guys, here between $2.15 and $1.97, guys. Here is a bullish liquidity zone where the algos are waiting. Also the orange line here, we can delete this. The gap has been closed. And that means the buyers are still here. What is not bullish when we drop below this price zone, I will show you the new price levels to the downside as well. But as long as we're trading here in this range and don't leave this price range here, that is in favor for the bulls. And as we just saw here, the bulls are still there, the algos are still here and try to pump the price, but the market makers sell immediately after we touch here the purple EMA line. So, and when we check one more time here the daily chart, then you can also see that this candle here on Friday exactly closed. After we closed the gap, we exactly closed above $2.15, guys. This is not a coincidence. This is here an algo zone. And this is not a coincidence that we closed over $2.15. So keep that in mind. Every price above $2.15 is bullish. And we can see in the 4 hours chart here that in the aftermarket here, bulls and bears started to fight. So I will zoom in for you. Here, started to fight. Here we have a decision candle here. And then with the aftermarket price action here, we closed below $2.15, guys. Yeah, so be aware of that. So the bull case is that we of course still have the same price goals to the upside. Sorry for the ping pong here that I have to switch so often, but I want to show you that in really detail here. Still, in my opinion, $3.47 to $3.66, where is still an open gap left. And I think, guys, this is not a short squeeze. This is an algo squeeze when I talk about this. And everything here until $5.23 or even $6.15 would be an absolute normal algo squeeze, not a short squeeze. So that's why I didn't sold my positions here, all my positions for Faraday Future, just a couple of them. So a normal algo squeeze here in a, let's say, range 150 to 220% is possible when we squeeze out of this trend channel here. I will extend that here for the next video since this ends right now here, so I will extend that. But if we squeeze over $6.20, guys, yeah, that would be super bullish. Or here based on the today, yeah, $6.15, guys, everything over this price range would be super bullish. And then we can finally talk here about something like a potential short squeeze, and then I give you also the new price level. So let's now check the micro adjustments here, or the micro Fibonacci retracement for Faraday Future. What does that mean here based on the actual price action? What is still a safe zone, and when we leave the support? Yeah, guys, I mean, this is what it is. I don't need to change the chart. Everything stays the same. As long as we don't leave $1.97, we are in favor for the bulls. Everything above $2.40, guys, would be very bullish. Yeah, keep that in mind. Everything over $2.40 would be very bullish. And if the bears try to bring, or will bring the price down below $1.97, then unfortunately, and that also does not change, we have this red algo trend line in the chart. We left the red algo trend line here for now, but that doesn't mean that we cannot come back to this. So you can already see that we will somewhere end up here between $1.40 and $1.28 when the bears win this fight, guys. Yeah, this is not to scare you. This is not to hype you up. This is what the chart is telling us. So I give you here my honest opinion. Everybody who follow here my channel knows that. And being that said, guys, if you like this content here and if you don't want to miss any updates on Faraday Future, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. If you want to copy the price levels here, this is everything based on TradingView, guys. I highly recommend that chart program. If you want to learn trading, then this is the way to go. You can use here my discount link. Also available when you click here on the info icon, you can get access to my TradingView discount link. If you use my discount link, you save $15, and I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. Guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe button. I wish you a very nice start into the new week. Yeah, good luck and great success with Faraday Future, and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank. Bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye guys.